Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk. I am Emma, and I am so happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Jack. I feel great today because we have a very warm and friendly topic. We will talk about something close to our hearts: family.
Yes, today's lesson is how to talk about your family in English. If you want to describe your family, introduce your parents, or talk about brothers and sisters, this lesson is perfect for you.
Before we start, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the little bell. It really helps the channel grow.
Exactly. And we make new videos every day, so stay with us and let's learn English together. Jack, let's start simple. How do you talk about your family?
Well, I usually start like this: I have a small family, or I have a big family. For me, I have a small family.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. My family is big. I have many cousins, many aunts, many uncles. Sometimes I feel like my family is everywhere.
That sounds great. A big family can feel very warm.
Yes, sometimes too warm, like very noisy, but I love them.
So, how do you describe your family to someone?
I start with, I am very close to my family. Or, my family is very important to me. Then I usually introduce the members.
Right? This is a great structure. Start with the size. Say how you feel about your family. Introduce each member.
Exactly. For example, I can say, I have a big family. I feel happy when I am with them. My mother is kind. My father is funny. My sister is smart.
Easy and clear. Short sentences are great for beginners.
Let's talk about parents first.
To talk about your mother, you can say, my mother is. Then add an adjective, like kind, sweet, strong, caring.
For example, my mother is very caring. She always helps me. Or, I am close to my mother.
For your father, you can say, my father is, my father works as, my father is very supportive.
Like, my father is funny. He makes jokes every day.
Your father sounds cool.
Most of the time, sometimes too funny. Like he thinks he is a comedian.
My father thinks the same about himself. Maybe it is a dad thing.
Now let's talk about siblings. Siblings means brothers and sisters.
Yes. So I can say, I have one brother. Or, I do not have any brothers or sisters.
Or, I have two sisters. I am the youngest. I am the oldest. I am the middle child.
That's a good point. When you talk about family, age order is very common.
Jack, how many siblings do you have?
I have one younger sister. She is 3 years younger than me. I feel very protective of her.
That is sweet, and I have two older brothers, so I feel like the little sister, and sometimes they act like bodyguards.
That sounds cute, but also scary.
Both. But I love them.
Many learners also want to talk about grandparents.
Yes, you can say, I have two grandmothers and one grandfather. My grandparents live in the countryside. I visit them every summer.
Or, my grandmother cooks amazing food. My grandfather tells funny stories.
Grandparents are special. I feel warm when I talk about mine.
I feel the same. Family can bring strong feelings.
When you talk about family, use feeling words. I feel happy with my family. I feel safe. I feel supported. I feel proud of them.
This is a great pattern. I feel plus adjective plus when I am with my family.
For example, I feel relaxed when I am with my siblings. I feel happy when I talk to my mother. I feel strong because my family supports me.
Beautiful examples, simple and emotional.
Thank you. I am a soft person when it comes to family.
Same. My family makes me soft too.
Many learners get confused with my and I have.
Yes, my shows belonging. My mother, my brother, my grandparents.
And I have shows that you possess something. I have 2 brothers. I have a big family.
You can mix them together. I have one sister. My sister is older than me.
Easy and helpful.
Emma, do you have a favorite family member?
If I say one name, the others will get angry. So my favorite family member is my dog?
Your dog? Does your family know this?
Probably. The dog is the real boss of the house.
I understand. Pets are also family.
Now let's learn 5 important words for talking about family. Word 1. Parents. Say it with me. Parents. Short pause. Repeat. Parents.
Parents means your mother and father.
Example. My parents are very supportive. I live with my parents.
Word 2. Siblings. Say it with us. Siblings. Short pause. Again. Siblings.
Siblings means brothers and sisters.
Example. I have 3 siblings. My siblings are older than me.
Word 3. Grandparents. Repeat after me. Grandparents. Short pause. Again. Grandparents.
Grandparents are your mother's or father's parents.
Example. My grandparents live far away. I call my grandparents every week.
Word 4. Cousin. Say it with me, cousin. Short pause. Again. Cousin.
A cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle.
Example. I have many cousins. My cousin is like a best friend.
Word 5. Close. Repeat close. Short pause. Again. Close.
Close means you have a strong and warm relationship.
Example. I am close to my mother. I feel close to my family.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to describe your family, how to talk about parents, siblings, grandparents, and cousins.
We also practiced feeling sentences like, I feel happy with my family.
And we learned 5 useful words: parents, siblings, grandparents, cousin, close.
Great job, everyone. You are improving every day.
Remember to practice by describing your own family at home. Say simple sentences, speak slowly, use I am and I feel patterns. Here is today's question. How many people are in your family?
My answer, there are 4 people in my family.
My answer, there are 5 people in my family.
Write your answer in the comments. We want to read about your family.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I feel happy that you joined us.
Keep practicing English every day. Even 5 minutes can help.
In our next video, we will talk about how to describe your friends in English. It will be fun.
Take care, stay positive, and